I have found that sales managers and people in leadership positions within sales and within organizations really like using Zoho CRM's reports and analytics features. These features are designed in a way that you don't have to be a technical wizard to create a report based on exactly the criteria that you're looking for. Every field inside the CRM is a data point that can be built a report off of.
Whether they're, number of calls or meetings per day, per month.
Number of notes taken, number of calls that have gone out, number of account records that have been touched, prospect records that have been interacted with.
How do you need to visualize the data that's most important for your organization? So the first step is identifying that, and then building it into a dashboard with the needed KPIs or reports, and making it simple for both the sales rep to see their individual performance, but also for the managers to see the performance of their teams and how that cascades up.
I'm competitive, so I really like the reports that show our team as a whole. So even if you think you're on top of the world that day and then you go into this dashboard and you're like, everybody's doing more, had more success, and it kind of puts you on your grind and makes you go a little bit harder that day.
Sales reps need to know what's in it for me. What is the value that they're going to get for putting the content into the system? So if you can provide them with good reports that are actionable, like how do they need to push on the accelerator to maybe drive more revenue for their back pocket, so they can see that at a glance and make those decisions.
If you're not competitive, then you might like just the one that you're doing so that you're just good with what you've done that day.
Calls, tasks, and events have now become their own separate modules, whereas before they were all part of the activities module. So as a sales manager or a CRM admin, if you'd like to build a report based on these specific distinct activities, you're now able to do that, whereas before everything had to run through the activities module and activities reporting. So we can get much more granular in terms of the types of activities that you're building reports on.
All of the data and the individual records and the completeness of the data is going to drive future business decisions for the organization, but also for the sales rep and for their individual revenue, ideally.
That's something that you can do as a sales manager, as a sales leader, without having to go to an IT specialist or a consultant to build that type of dashboard or report for you.
Building good reports and dashboards takes some time to plan, but that time will pay off if you put a little bit of effort into it. Those insights will be heavily utilized within the organization and within the sales teams.